Okay, so which is the answer. Now the cube root. Okay, so for that particularly we have the option which is nth root. Okay, so one command. So let's say what I want to go for the cube root of b plus 98. Okay, so I will just say cube root. So what is that? B. Okay, so I will just insert here b plus 9.8. Okay, and we will see its answer. Okay. So similarly for the let's say a 10th root. So how we are going to insert this nth root? Let's say x. So here let's say you can insert 5a plus 16 comma 10. Okay, so I will show you. So earlier we have used a and b. Okay, so here I will just insert nth root, which is equals to x. So what is the x? We have to consider 5a plus 16. So I will just use here bracket 5a plus 16. Okay, and 10th root, which is 10. So here is the 10th root, and here is the, let's say, water content we have. Okay, so here is it is again I let's say I haven't used any multiplication sign, so it is showing me that you do mean this, so we have to use this multiplication sign. So in this manner we can correct it. Okay, so okay, so let us see the text variable right now. Okay, so you can, let's say, simply not deal with the let's say numbers or the any complex number. Okay, we can use the text variables also. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, let's say m, which is equals to, so current month, which is, let's say, March. Okay, so just I'm putting, you can verify with this. Okay, so I haven't given any, let's say, single quote or the double quote. Okay, so it is asking me unrecognized. Okay, now what I will do, I will just put here single quote. Okay, single quote here. Okay, so here is the value March. Now I will just use m1. I will just modify its variable name, which is m1, which is equals to, here I will just change April. Okay, the next one, which is April. And now what I will do, I will just use whose command. Okay, so both are the characters. Okay, both are the characters.